Hello everyone, I am back with my new tutorial. In this you will learn how to create a game with your Arduino board. For this you need one breadboard, Arduino Uno, 16x2 LCD, one push button and some jumper wires. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I'll connect the 5-volt power supply from the Arduino to the positive rail of the breadboard. Then connect the negative to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now pin number 1 of the LCD connect to the negative rail of the Arduino. And the second pin is connected to the positive rail of the breadboard. And the third one is connected to the pin number 11 to the Arduino. Both second and the third pin of the LCD connected to the potentiometer. Here potentiometer is used to control the brightness of the LCD. And the pin number 4th is connected to the negative rail of the breadboard. And the pin number 4th is connected to the pin number 9 to the Arduino. And these are all the data pins which are connected to the Arduino from pin number 2 to 7 respectively. And the push button has 3 pins. In this, the first one is the signal pin, the second one is positive, and the last one is the negative pin. Here I am using the signal pin and the negative pin to give the input, and we can receive the output through the LCD. Now connect the cable to the Arduino and upload the code to the Arduino board.